Alright guys, so we're pulling up to the meet right now. It's packed as hell, guys, look. And this is barely the first spot, guys. So it's pretty nice turnout right now.
Cousin?
What's up, cousin? How you been? That's my cousin, guys. Say what's up to my cousin. We got a Supreme Prius. All right. What's up?
How you doing?
Good, bro. We just left the second location. We're on our way to our third location right now. The lighting is beautiful. Thank you, liquor store. If you're new to the channel, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe and become a part of the Cave Gang movement. Don't forget to hit the bell. Ding! On the side of my name, there's a little bell. Hit it. That way you can stay notified. Because sometimes if you don't hit it, YouTube won't alert you that I posted a new video. We're pulling up to the next location right now. People are pulling up already. It's looking very promising, very decent, guys. So we'll see what's cracking right now. That's crazy. What's up, buddy? What's up? Hey. Cops pull up. This guy's smashing out with his bike, guys. He's doing like about 100 miles per hour right now. Yeah, and check out this gas station right here, guys. It's crowded as hell. We got all the people running for their lives, guys. They look like tiny little ants, guys. Like little ants. One cop pull over right now, guys. We got the bikers making a whole lot of noise. What's up, buddy? It's always a pleasure. The coach just hit that one in the balls. all kinds of stuff. We got 2 choppers though.
Oh, that's like... Nah.
We're on our way to the next location. We got the chopper. We got a lot of choppers. It's crowded as hell, guys. Look. Pulling up to the next spot. Guys, check it out. Ew. Whoa! Let me see. What's up, bro? What's up? Hey, that's right, that's right. Oh. Hey, Hey, you already. What's up? We're out here putting in community service work, guys. Here we go. We made it to the next location, guys. We legit walked a mile of just cars. And I'm already tired. I'm out of breath. I need some arroz con leche right now or something. But we're almost to the spot, guys. Damn, this guy's The sprinklers are scaring people, guys. Look, the sprinklers. We got the chopper out here. We gotta change the tire before the chopper comes, guys. Damn, the small ass little kid. That's right, that's right, that's right.
The security right here too.
Damn, that was impressive for that truck like that. Alright guys, it's like almost 3 in the morning. Look how deep and the magnitude of this right here. I guess no sleep tonight. I pull up to another location, guys. It's almost 3 in the morning. Look what we have here. The takeover mascot right here. Check him out. What's his name again?
Death.
Death, right? Death? Wow. That's a powerful name, buddy.